ladies and gentlemen.
Oh,
And for those of you playing the home game...
He's excited this morning.
Woohoo! Well, we actually got a good night's sleep.
You did?
Yep. I don't remember her name. I mean, his name. Whatever it was. It was Left. It was Left. Her name was Left. Okay, so...
Ooh, switch hitting.
Well, you sit on one, make it go numb,
Oh, I
and then
know
it feels
this.
like a stranger.
I know that one.
Okay, so as we're dropping the cross member for the transmission, we find that it's missing one of its spacers on this side.
Oh, yay.
It's just not there. So I would imagine we can probably get one super cheap. They can't possibly be that expensive.
Yeah, I could even make that.
Okay, that being said, this should technically still be bolted to the transmission. It's not. Someone decided not to. Hi there, see? Did not put, at some point in time, whoever had it previous to the owner now, did not put the nut and washer back on the transmission member mount.
How do you forget the nut?
I don't know about you, but it's got to be at least once every couple of days.
Yeah. Oh, God.
We got permission from the owner. We're going to cut the exhaust system. There's just too much damage. I mean, there truly is.
He said, find me a kit and start fresh.
Yep.
Okay,
The heat riser is frozen, 3/4 closed. We can't even really move it. Manifolds are salvageable, which is super cool. But it needs a whole new exhaust system. Engine back. It's just too messed up.
'Tis a disaster.
So, yeah, and that's unfortunate because it really is a super pretty car. I mean, it really is. Okay, so we're ready to pull everything out. We're going to cut one more pipe. Well, disconnect one more pipe, whichever.
And that'll give you
and,
easier access to the starter, too.
Yeah, because I can drop the starter 10 times easier.
Get that out, and then we'll get this trans out, finally.
No.
Almost.
We cannot be derogatory in any way, shape, or form. It is a gender-neutral slush box.
Okay. It's coming out.
I'm coming now.
I was waiting for that. All right, we're on it. Moving on.
Here we go.
Starter's out.
Transmission is 2 bolts away. Everything's disconnected. We'll be replacing the speedometer cable. Gear looks really good. Super pretty. No issues.
On the cable. On the gear.
Yeah,
The cable
exactly.
is a little funky.
But to our delight, it looks like this has an original Presta-Lite in the car and still works.
Probably gonna go get that rebuilt.
Yep. Make her all purty and stuff.
Have the guy make it nice.
Make her finer than a new set of snow tires on a John Deere.
Hot damn. All right, so yeah, we're pretty much ready. We gotta drain the converter, and then this bitch will flop out onto the floor. Exactly.
Sorry, I had to. That was stupid.
Hey, Scotty,
Hi, ladies and gentlemen.
what are we doing?
We are prying some hot studs out of some very tight holes.
Well,
the transmission. Yeah, we're doing the transmission.
yes.
Our dowel pins, as you can see, if you can see my finger at all, I don't know if you can.
Yeah.
The dowel pins have rust on them.
Yeah, we had to fight these
Both.
out.
So it took let me see if I can do this.
The light.
I'm getting old.
The light.
Okay, we have a 15-pounder.
Light convincement hammer.
Oh,
Big
there we
long flathead screwdriver.
and had to pry them and smack them and flip them up and rub them down. Oh no! Yeah! Back seat, windows up. Sorry,
I'm getting too excited right here.
I know, right? Well,
This guy's gotta calm down. Nah, just kidding. He's fine.
so we're just about ready to pull this bitch out.
Yeah.
We have the shaft out of the back of the transmission. We've disconnected the flex plate from the torque converter. So now we are just ready to lean transmission down in the back.
We got to go back a little bit more to clear the bolts here.
Yep.
And we have to clear the top of the bell housing, but there's plenty of room.
Top of the bell housing's good. We're no worries that way. So we're at that point.
Well, we got to clear these here. That's what I'm worried about.
Yeah.
So we do have to go back a little bit, but then once we're down, we're down.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna put this down, and the next time people see this sumbitch will be on the floor.
Yep. Getting ready to go to the rebuilder and pressure washing and a cleaning and new gaskets. She's gonna come back purdy.
Yeah.
You got a purdy butt.
Yeah, what?
A purdy butt.
Is it time? I think it's time to have lunch after this. We're getting delirious.
Kidding?
We've been delirious since we started.
I've been delirious for the past 28 years.
Nice.
Shut up. Don't
All
you
right.
say nothing.
That's not so bad. All right, away we go. Hey, look.
We made a big, huge hole. No, Dorothy, stay away from the hole. Or is that
I can't remember.
Caroline going to the light? I don't know, whatever. They were both useless fish. Oops.
Right. Oh, Mark can have fun with this. All right, so
And in case we need numbers off of this, and we'll have it on video, we have a torque converter number of 4570-HR. So let's spin, see if there's any more numbers that we need
there's
to...
some there that just passed. Around here somewhere.
No, I'm not seeing...
I saw, but it wasn't clear enough to show up on the video.
Yeah. Well, we are just about ready to drop this thing completely out the door and take it to the shop to get it rebuilt.
Yay!
Speedometer cable out of the way, linkage fell out of the way, we're good.
All right.
I'm thinking we need to just leave that there for the best. That
Okay.
should be out of our way even easier.
Let me put this away.
Yeah, and we are good, ladies and gentlemen. See you on the next round of, oh my God, it's greasy. Episode 5.
Oh,
Don't ask me where I come up with this shit, dude. I really don't know.
that was great.
You filming?
Yeah, what do we got?
Ladies and gentlemen, this prize can be yours for the one-time only price of $2,000, or if your credit's really crappy like mine used to be, or was, because, well, now I'm dating the right person. I just feel so special, grab pearls. $29.95 every other week for the next 35 years. And you can have this one. But no, on a serious note, transmission's out.
It's out! Finally.
Motor mount to stop torque converter from falling out so we don't cause damage along the way. It came out finally, and now you guys can see how bad the rust was. We'll have to emery cloth these to clean them up because they're really pretty nasty. They really are.
Well, this is going in the truck. I'm gonna go drop it off to Mark. And he's gonna reseal this baby.
And to the owner of this transmission, this is how bad it really was, unfortunately. I hate saying that, but it had a lot of oil leaks. This thing is absolutely
Yeah, it's gross.
covered in oil.
Schmutz.
So
The schmutz.
now what I'll probably do real quick, just so we have them, I'll take the wire brush and take a quick picture of all the numbers on it in case, for whatever reasons, we need part numbers.
Yeah, because
Let's do
it's
that
going
now.
for a reseal, but if Mark finds something, then yeah. Oh, look at that. Hey, look. There we go.
Okay, so on the passenger side, we have A 18% 3, facing the opposite direction but still on the same side, 5G-1 and W.G.div N4. So I'm guessing Division 4 or North 4, something along those lines. I don't see any other
That's it.
numbers, but it's really, really dirty. She was a bad whore. She's a dirty whore.
All right.